Only one request. Don't fear to see this flowchart. It's not so hilarious, seeming so large and hilarious, but believe me, just wait for 2 seconds. Don't put this video off. It's surely gonna help you. Just be with me for some time for this video. So, good morning to one and all present here, or maybe it's good afternoon or evening. So, basically, welcome back to the new video of the Green Feature class, in which I'm start with plantae kingdom. So, when we are talking about plantae kingdom, they are classified into 3 types based on whether they have well differentiated body or not. Second, whether they bear seeds or not. Third, whether they have special conduction tissues or not. So when we are talking about whether they have the well differentiated body or not, they are classified into 2 types, thallophyta or bryophyta. Thallophyta are basically those which do not have a well differentiated plant bodies. They are organisms which fall in this group are said to be commonly called algae. Examples are Spirogyra and Chara. That's enough for this. Come to bryophyta, they are called amphibians. They have a well differentiated plant body system, but they do not have any special conduction tissues. Examples are Funaria and Merchantia. Second, don't focus on the second, in which I have written whether they bear seeds or not. Come to the third one, which is whether they have special conduction tissues or not. So on this basis, they are classified into pteridophyta. They have well developed conduction system. They are now, if we talk about thallophyta, bryophyta and pteridophyta, they all are called cryptogamy since they have a hidden reproductive system. Now, some organisms, some of those which lie in plant kingdom but do not have the hidden reproductive system, are said to be the phanerogams. Now, phanerogams are classified on whether they have seeds or not. So the angiosperms and the gymnosperms. Angiosperms have the covered seeds, whereas gymnosperms have the naked seeds. So angiosperms is basically let's leave angiosperms, come down gymnosperms. Gymnosperms have perennial, evergreen and woody. Examples are pines and deodars. Angiosperms have covered seeds, and they are basically based on number of cotyledons. They are, which is cotyledons. They are classified into 2 types, monocots and dicots. That's it about the plant kingdom. Believe me, that's it. Let's have a very quick revision. So on the basis of plantae kingdom is classified into 3 types basically. First is whether they have the well differentiated plant body or not. Second is whether, if they have the well differentiated plant body, whether they have the if they have a well differentiated plant body, whether they have the special conduction tissues or not. So those organisms are called pteridophyta. They have well developed conduction system. The thallophyta, bryophyta and pteridophyta are called cryptogamy because they have the hidden reproductive system. Those who don't have the hidden reproductive system are called phanerogams. Phanerogams are classified into 2 types, which is the angiosperms and gymnosperms. Gymnosperms have naked seeds, whereas the angiosperms have covered seeds. Now, angiosperms on the basis of number of cotyledons, they are classified into 2 types, monocots and dicots, whereas the gymnosperms are evergreen, perennial and woody. Examples are pines and deodars. That's it about plantae. See, in 3 minutes 28 seconds, I have covered the plantae once and made you revise also. I'm telling, just note down this flowchart and try to learn it. Don't fear from the size of chapter and flowchart, because they include the characteristics, and that is why they are so long. Otherwise, they are nothing. I hope you would have understood the plantae kingdom. In the next video, we are going to animal kingdom, even Animalia kingdom, which is even as simple as plantae. Thank you.